Hello and welcome to Paul Bentley Limited, where today we would like to present to you this very, very special 1958 Porsche 356A convertible. The 356A was produced between the years of 1955 and 1959. This is a UK supplied right-hand drive example, is one of 86 right-hand drive models ever built. And this example we have here was first registered on the 4th of March 1958, and its serial numbers are matching throughout. It can be found on the gearbox, engine, chassis, and the last 3 digits of that chassis number can be found throughout the bodywork also. Presented in its original colour combination of silver metallic, 5706 to be precise, green vinyl trim and a contrasting black roof. As mentioned, this example is the A, which means it is widely considered to be the prettiest of the 356s and is also Promethean. This is where it all started. So there is there's the essence of purity you get with the very first of the 356s. This example went through a very lengthy 3-year restoration process with Sportswagen, the leading authority when it comes to restoring 356s, and then FX Trim, again another leading authority in 356s, took on the interior detailing, making sure that everything was factory correct. And as this restoration was only very recently carried out, as you can imagine, the condition both inside and out is absolutely phenomenal. It really does look spectacular, and that wouldn't be just my opinion. Just last year, this very vehicle was a Salon Privé Concours entrant. This very car would be supplied with its Cardex data document, Porsche COA, original jack, spare wheel, and toolkit, of course. A truly gorgeous vehicle. It would be a terrible shame to see it go, but such is the nature of the game. If you do have any questions or queries about this vehicle, feel free to reach out to us via the email and phone that you now see on screen. But as always, when it comes to vehicles like this, we would strongly recommend that you come see it in person. So please come on down to the farm and see this for yourself. In the meantime, take care, and we'll see you very soon.